Imagine a day where your food comes from a forest that you and your loved ones grew and live from, eat from, nourish yourselves from. Although Hawaii is the most isolated landmass on Earth, our current reality is that we import 90% of our food. We have a living regenerative solution that teaches people to grow their own food at their own home. We do this by providing education, appropriate plants, and community support. Help us expand our educational capacity and acquire necessary equipment so we can all move towards regeneration. For the past 10 years, our non-for-profit has been co-creating the Kauai Food Forest, a regenerative agroforestry system. Dedicated volunteers work together weekly to address all needs of the food forest. This includes maintenance, soil building, propagating, educating visitors and volunteers, harvesting, cooking, and eating together. In our early days, we started as a seed bank that grew into hosting community seed exchanges. Today, our food forest acts as a Noah's Ark, a living seed bank of tropical, edible, medicinal, native species, and culturally important plants. It is one of the few examples of a completely different model of agriculture where our food system is a hyper diverse ecosystem. These kinds of ideas and actions are the kinds of systems that will take humanity forward.